In this Namecheap WordPress tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to install WordPress on Namecheap using cPanel and Softaculous step by step from start to finish. Installing and setting up WordPress on Namecheap is a quick and easy process. If you don't already have Namecheap, I provide a link in the description where you get a Namecheap discount. I provide a coupon code along with the link so you can get a free domain name or domain name discount with your web hosting purchase. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Namecheap at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Namecheap discount. Let's get started with the Namecheap WordPress tutorial going over how to install WordPress on Namecheap. I'm here in the Namecheap dashboard. Click Domain List in the left menu. It'll list out the domains you have with Namecheap. Find the domain you are using for the WordPress install. Click the Manage button next to it. Scroll down to where you see Name Servers. From the drop-down, you want to make sure Namecheap Web Hosting DNS is selected. Click the green check mark icon to save your changes on the right. Next, click Hosting List. It'll list out your hosting subscriptions with the domain it is set up on. You'll see the Go to cPanel button. Click this. You'll be taken to the cPanel within Namecheap. You'll see the WordPress Manager by Softaculous over to the left. Click this. You'll now be on the WordPress Management page. Click the Install button. You'll now be on the WordPress Setup page. Where you see the Choose a Protocol, you want to change this to HTTPS. Next, choose a domain that you want to have for the WordPress installation. You'll see the version of WordPress you want to install. I'm going to keep it on the current version. Next, put in the site name, site description. You'll see you can select Enable Multi-Site WPMU and disable WordPress cron. I'm going to keep these unselected. Over to the right, put in the admin username, which will be the username for logging into WordPress. Put in a password and put in an email address. Scroll down and you can change the language for WordPress if you like. Over on the left, you'll see Select Plugins. You'll see Extendify is selected for a website builder. If you don't want this, click it to unselect it. If you see something here that you want to select, you can click it. Next, scroll down, and if you click Advanced Options, there are selections you can select if you'd like. I'm going to keep these as they are. Next, scroll down and click Install. WordPress is now being installed. It'll take just a few minutes. Once it is done installing, you will see congratulations, software was installed successfully. Click the administrative URL to go to the WordPress dashboard. Something to note, I would bookmark the administrative URL as this is the easiest way to log into WordPress to begin in creating your site. To log into WordPress, just enter your domain name with a /wp-admin, just like you see here. This will take you to the WordPress login page for your site. Once logged in, you'll be in the WordPress dashboard. The last thing you want to do is install the SSL certificate as we selected HTTPS for the WordPress installation. This will make our site secure and will get rid of the Your Connection is Not Private page. From the cPanel page, you'll see Namecheap SSL. Click this. On this page, you want to sign in to Namecheap. Click the Sign In button. It'll begin signing you in automatically. You'll now be on this Namecheap SSL page. Make sure you click Installed via Namecheap SSL if it isn't already selected. You'll see the domain I'm using for my WordPress install here. If you have multiple showing, just find the one you want and click the Install button next to it. Next, you want to select a domain. I'll select the domain here without the www. Next, click the Install Certificate button. You'll now see the HTTPS redirect is showing as pending. It'll take just some time for it to finish installing the SSL certificate for your site. I just give it a few minutes. To refresh the page to see if it's done, click the Sync button here, and it'll reload the page to see if it's done. Once the SSL certificate is active, you'll see its screen showing active and on. If I click on my domain here, you'll see it'll take us to the WordPress site, and the privacy error page isn't showing any longer. You can now sign in and begin creating your site. That's all there is to it. That is how to install WordPress on Namecheap using cPanel and Softaculous. I hope you enjoyed this Namecheap WordPress tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Namecheap hosting tutorial videos.